How to find and join Discord server on mobile without invitation. If you don't have an invitation, you have to find what the name of the Discord server is. If you know the name, you can just click on the plus icon on your Discord over here. Like, on the Discord app, you can see the plus icon, right? You want to click on it, which is at the left corner. Once you click on the plus icon, at the bottom, it's going to show you join a server. You want to click on join a server. And then it's going to ask you this. You either need to enter the Discord's username or the link. If you have the link, enter the link. If you don't have the link, then you need to enter the Discord name. So I can just enter the name Keshav with Velo. So this is the name of the server. I click on join. It's going to search and the name is invalid, so nothing is showing up. But if the name was correct, I could have joined just with the name as well. So let me just search for another Discord. So I'm just gonna go for SXGE. Let's see if this Discord is available. Okay, so this one is also not available, but you need to enter the correct username. And if you are unable to join the server using the username, you need to get the link. It doesn't have to be an invitation link. It just has to be a link. I mean, if the Discord server is private, of course you need the invitation link. If it is not, then you can just get the link and type it over here and you're good to go. That's how you guys can find and join Discord server and mobile. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.